I often get asked how I am able to stay so productive. With school, YouTube, and my small companies, it's not always so easy to stay on top of my game. In the past, I attempted to write notes on Word, use Google Calendar, and even go as far as using the Notes app to construct my videos and plan my Instagram content. Luckily, about a year ago, I found an app called Notion. Ever since, I've been able to organize all my schoolwork, plan and schedule ahead, and organize anything related towards media creation. Because so many of you have requested it, I decided to make a video on how to plan and organize your life and truly show you how you could build a great Notion workflow. My name is Andres. I'm a computer science student and tech YouTuber.